One of the most fun exercises we have in this is letting people evaluate the idea of product evolution. Most folks don't actually understand the fact that the products that they see today have evolved from products and services, utilizations and usages long, long ago. In the material, you'll see that very classic example of the 6 pictures. It exemplifies a bull cart or an animal-drawn cart. It then goes to a bicycle, to an automobile, to a bus, to an airplane, and then to a rocket ship or some other form of transportation. And we ask our students, tell me, what happened here? Why did we go from the idea of riding in wagons to riding on bicycles to riding on cars to riding on buses to riding on jet planes? What happened there? How did that take place? And you're going to get a lot of different responses from your students. They're going to talk about the idea that it's faster, that if we take the bicycle, it's faster than the ox cart, and the automobile is faster than the bicycle, and so forth. You're also going to get the idea that, well, it's the idea of convenience. It's more convenient to ride the bicycle than it is to ride in the bullock cart, or it's much more convenient to ride the train than it is to ride the bicycle. You're also going to hear about the idea of speed. So it's the idea of speed, convenience, an opportunity that will drive the thinking from your students more than likely on this. But let's take a deeper look at this if we can. What actually created the need for that evolution? What spurred the development of moving from an ox cart into a bicycle? What really did that? And the answer to that is quite simple. It was actually the demands of the customer. The customer created the desire and the demand for those improvements. And each time subsequently an improvement was made, customers would move to one product and move away from another product. We moved to the bicycle in favor of the bullock cart, not because the bullock cart didn't work. Obviously it has for centuries. But the idea is the bicycle meets more of our needs as we have them expressed at that time. Now, if I was going to try to pull a ton of wheat into the marketplace, obviously I wouldn't pick the bicycle to do that with. The ox cart might be the preferred method for that. But who determines that? The customer does, the person describing the need. So in this evolution, this evolutionary thing about how products evolve, we go from one to the next. We want to really get the knowledge base, the emphasis here to our students that it is in fact the customers, those incipient needs that are represented and then met that drive the evolution of products. This evolutionary process that we describe here takes us to the next very, very important learning, and that's the value chain. Let's talk about it next.